Yo, NBA fans! Napakatindi na naging laban ngayon ng Warriors at Clippers. Parang Game 7 ng Finals. Dito kasi malalaman kung sino makakapag-secure ng playoff spot. Tara at pag-usapan natin yan. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Tara na, let's go! First quarter, nakakuha ng maagang kalamangan ng Clippers. Napakalaki na naging factor ng center ng Clippers na si Zubac sa game na to. Dinominate ang Warriors sa ilalim.
You're second in the league bench points. What do you get off your bench this game? Curry and open three. Warriors the best cutting team in the league. Draymond right down the lane, putting it up and in. Got a jumper there. Fastball, the ricochet right back to him. And he got Zubac banging and bumping with Looney.
Nakahabol naman ng Warriors sa pangunguna ni Podziemski with 9 points at Jimmy Butler with 10 points before the end of the first quarter.
At this sport playing today. Butler going and step. Jimmy Butler missed the second free throw. And Jimmy pump fake and another and one opportunity. I'm telling you, Jimmy Butler is on one. It has been confirmed.
Score natin 33-25, lamang ng 8 ang Warriors. Grabe ang naging depensa ni Moses Moody sa larong to. Parang Iguodala. Sinamahan pa siya ni Buddy Hield to start the second quarter. Dito nagsimula na ang run ng Clippers para kunin ang kalamangan.
Top defender, Harden step back three. It's good. Sabonis had the best of your past four straight.
Napakaganda ang palitan naman sa tres bago matapos ang first half.
Fire Curry, and he knocks it down. Curry for three. Gives Golden State the lead. 4 seconds left. They try to blitz Powell. Gets the shot away. And Powell beats the buzzer with a triple.
Third quarter, grabe ang naging sagutan ng Clippers at ng Warriors. Nagpapalitan na sila ng basket, hindi lumalayo ang score.
Harden driving, lob for the toe tap three. On the screen twice. Looney, great pass to the on the floor. And if you have a guy like that who's been there before in the series, he in the third quarter. Butler, what a great.
Fourth quarter, umarangkada ang Clippers at nakalamang ng 7. Pero ito na ang Splash Brothers, Podziemski and Curry.
There's the switch with Bogdanovic again. That's what they're looking for. He's got 5 fouls. Podziemski floater good in the left. Knowing that, hey, this is it. It comes down to these two teams. Who's in and who's not. Floater by lost it. Kept alive by Payton out to Podziemski. What a crossover. Curry fires to Looney. Curry looking to get it back. Open three. Curry.
Ayun, nakalamang na ang Warriors. Napakaganda ang laban na to. Hindi rin naman nagpapatalo itong Clippers.
Puts up the 20-footer and switch with the playoffs on the line. Curry for three. The quarter. Warriors by 2. Give it up to Dunn. Lob Zubac.
High ball game. Bola ng Clippers under 11 seconds left. Nice defensive effort mula kay Draymond Green to force the overtime. 2-3 agad mula sa Clippers to start the overtime.
The smaller defender on Zubac, but Draymond Green now comes to help. 3 from Harden. Good again. The corner.
Pero sasagot naman agad si Green at Curry ng kanilang sariling tres.
He's been quiet of late. Turn and fire. Curry for three.
Dito isang napakagandang pasa kay Butler. Grabe, naka-playoff mode na itong si Butler. Hanggang gustong dalhin ng Warriors sa playoffs. Pero dito ay bad news. Tatama ang tuhod niya sa tuhod ni Kawhi. Para pa namang robot yan. Mapapansin nga dito na iiga-iga to si Jimmy Butler. Naku po, na-injury pa. Last 6 seconds ay lamang pa ng tatlo ang Clippers. Si Hill di bibigay ang bola, pero mapapaaga ata ang bitaw. Parang nagmadali ata si Hill di bitaw ang bola. Sayang ang napakagandang effort ni Curry at Butler. Nabitin! Natapos ang laro sa score ng 124-119 in favor of the Los Angeles Clippers. Nakakuha si Curry ng 36 points at 30 points naman kay Butler. Nakakuha naman ng 39 points with 10 assists itong si James Harden. 33 points kay Kawhi Leonard at 22 points with 17 rebounds itong si Zubac. Grabe, kinain ng Warriors sa ilalim. Dahil sa pagkatalo ng Warriors, ay lumaglag sila sa number 7 seed at kailangan nilang maglaro ng play-in. Makakatapat nila dito ang long-time rival na Memphis Grizzlies. Umangat naman ng Wolves at sila ang makakatapat ng Lakers sa playoffs. Mapapalaban dito ang Warriors sa Grizzlies na pinangungunahan ni Ja Morant. Ano sa tingin nyo? Sino kayang mananalo sa dalawang teams na to? Sino kayang makakapasok ng playoffs at makakatapat ang Houston Rockets? Comment down below and mag-subscribe ka na rin sa ating channel para lagi kang updated sa mga latest NBA happenings. Ayun lang for today. Peace out and God bless.